Hello and welcome to part 2 of 15 miles in the rain. And unfortunately, of course, you see that I'm not in the mountains, I'm not hiking, I'm sitting at my desk editing the vlog. And due to the fact that I decided during production that I won't split the trip into day 1 and 2, instead split it into part 1 and 2, because part 1 was already 20 minutes long and the day wasn't even finished yet. I don't have an intro scene, and just so that you know, the first scene might not make sense if you haven't seen part 1. If you haven't seen it, you have a mark somewhere up there that links it to it. I don't know if it's left or right, but you will see something pop up there. If I edit, if I don't forget it. And if you have seen part 1, enjoy this clip. I think we might have taken the wrong way because there are people coming from there, and there were people coming from there. I have no clue if we did it right. I actually don't know if the camera is waterproof. Just treat it as if it's waterproof, then it is waterproof. Let's try. And there we have the waterfall! We start to get closer to our destination. There it is. Perhaps I can zoom a bit in. Finally, it's a really good way again. I'm sick of climbing. The last couple 100 meters. Hur går det?
Oj!
There we are. Va?
Det går bra.
Bra. Kom. Sista biten.
Ja. Äntligen.
This is so nice. I just got into wet shoes but with dry socks and this feels so comfortable.
Inside the cabins, over the kitchen bench in both cabins, there are 2 USB ports for charging your phones.
Wow!
You will fight for them, of course, because there's only 2 in each cabin. You have lights everywhere. Lights off during nights, because we have only solar and wind power. We are not connected to a big power plant. Gas stoves for cooking. Push the knob in, keep it in, turn, and put a match on.
Hi guys! Fire! Perfect!
Hello guys! Take the shoes off.
Yep, we are there.
When you start the fire now, let it burn.
We're finally at the cabins and the first plan was to sleep in the tent, but I'm tired and I don't think I will. I stay in the cabin. This is like the big room where everybody can gather. Here's our heating. Room 1, room 2, 3 and 4. I'm staying up there. And I was quite lucky, nearly all my stuff is dry. I'm gonna get some water and I think I have the perfect outfit.
Oh, yes. Yeah, I think you got the perfect outfit too, because now it was really raining.
Yes, with bathing trunks. Swimming trunks, I don't care what they're called.
Wait for me,
Yep.
don't get wet before me.
Oh, I need to tie my shoes. Sorry that I'm pointing up to the sky, but I prefer to walk on wet wood with tight shoes. Sorry. Now it's my turn. Yeah. I have the water. There are the people staying in tents. min sko är öppen igen. Let's get back inside. I think it's time to make lunch, or I first need to get vegan because we have our food together. But I think I can start making bread. So Viking, I've just thought about mixing both of them, so that should be more than enough.
Yeah.
That is like 4 portions of rice.
Fucking sausage.
Pie. Food is finished. And how does my rice taste, Viking?
Rice.
What?
Rice.
It tastes yellow.
According to the package,
How
it's
the
Mexican rice.
How the fuck do you taste yellow? How do you taste colors?
And with my tongue.
So magic tricks.
And what's next? You smell sounds?
No, I can feel them.
Well, the vibrations.
Everybody ate now except those two. And the plan now is to go and Basti, so sauna. And then Luca and I perhaps are going to go make some pictures.
Yeah, exactly.
We haven't really decided what's happened after that. But until that, I cut for now and see you later. This is a final report for the first day. We spent the evening playing some poker, but not about money, only with chips. And now they can probably hear it if you're quiet. The girls and a few of the guys are still talking a bit, but they're also going to finish. And I will prepare with my sleeping bag, and I think I'm going to clock out for tonight. See you tomorrow at 6 a.m, 6:30, I don't know, we'll see. So, good morning. It's currently about 5:20 and I'm a bit early awake, so I don't want to film inside yet so that I don't wake up the others. But I just wanted to show you that we today have a really nice weather and that the walk back home will be a dream. I think you understand what I want to say. I get back inside, it's a bit windy. So I'm back inside. I've closed both doors so that I don't disturb anybody. And now I'm cooking hot water for tea or coffee. I think everybody will be happy with that. The water's nearly cooking, so I think I prepare my tea now and take a break with the food. The rest of the old tea, once later, the new water goes into it. And I think it's cooking. smells really good. I think it's lemon tea, something like that. Cold. Nice, some fresh, cold mountain water. Still takes like so if I take it directly out of the water. Don't know why, but otherwise it's good. Luca, ready for the final kilometers?
Yep, no, ready.
Perfect. Jess, ready for the final kilometers?
Ready till everybody?
Nice.
Anders, put the kaffe there.
What is he doing there? We're doing a short pause to readjust backpacks and stuff like this. Then we're going to continue. Time for another break. Fell a bit behind, so it's good that we have a track now, so it is going to be easier to get some meters and to catch up. I know we're doing a lot of breaks now on the second day, but this is just so nice. We have like 1 hour left to the buses, but it's nice to just relax, have the backpack off the shoulders and just lay down. Ja, vi är klarade det. So, as you saw, we are finally at the final destination. I take off these. Excuse my hair, I didn't really have a possibility to style it. I didn't have a mirror and so on. We're now going to eat some lunch. The teachers are going to get the buses and then we go home. I hope this was kind of entertaining and see you next time.